Alright folks, welcome back to the Celica. And I apologize in advance, this is a quick video. I know that I promised you some extreme cleaning action where I get in there with a shop vac and brush and all those fun cleaning products, but I wanted to take a quick break. That video is coming, I promise, but in the meantime I got some very special mail and I wanted to show you guys, and I'm actually experimentally recording this on both 2D and 3D cameras, so I'll give you both versions of the video. You can check out the 3D one if you happen to have 3D glasses. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. But what we've got today is a package from Mighty Car Mods, and I ordered this guy about a month or so ago. And it got stuck in post, of course, because, you know, there's a pandemic going on and everything is falling apart at the seams. And this is a bad situation. So I just kind of forgot that I ordered it, and it showed up the other day. I was working on Cecilia here. She does have a name. We call her Cecilia the Celica. I thought it would be an awesome little video to open it up in front of you guys. Take a quick gander and see what they sent me. I'm not a professional unboxer, and half of this is just plastic anyway. Oh, that just comes off. That just comes right off. So we'll get a little aggressive with the plastic parts here. I don't know why I'm filming this particularly boring part. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes. Now, I'm not positive, okay, because this is a mystery box. This is Cheryl's mystery box. I'm not positive. But from the weight of it, I'm thinking it might be a 2JZ engine, which would be sweet for a swap. Ooh, I got a nice little card here. Here we got. Boom, Mighty Car Mods. Oh, on the back is a sweet-ass coupon for 10% off. I'm not going to show you that. God. There we go. There's Cheryl's box. Get my razor. We'll start cutting into things. Yeah. I'm not an expert at opening things, but I'm pretty sure you fold the flap back. Oh, there we go. And then you just pull until it breaks. Boom. Alright. So, sweet-ass chopped beanie. I'm going to throw that on the floor. That's some duct tape of some kind. Sweet-ass chopped beanie. Not super useful in Arizona, but I will wear it when I go out into the mountains. Hold on to that, Cecilia. Ooh. Badass valve stem covers. It's actually really useful because I got a couple tires replaced and they forgot to put the valve stems on them. So that is pretty sweet. The smell of victory, I assume. Nope, that's melon. That's melon and rubber glove. That will do wonders to freshen up Cecilia. Put her right there. Don't lose that, Cecilia. Glove is actually extremely useful, considering this is one of my last few pairs. Oh! Fuck yes. Sweet-ass chopped keyring. Like a million zip ties. That's basically all that's going to be holding together the interior and possibly the exterior. Another badass keyring. Some kind of lanyard for sweet lanyard action. A chop sticker. I mean, I'm gonna put this. I love Cecilia. We have a warm relationship together, but gonna be honest, probably not gonna be chopping anyone in this thing. Coming in a little bit under 100 horsepower, I think 110 pound-feet of torque, which is not a great number. Got both black and white. You know what? We could put the white one on my Fiesta. That'll go well. That will chop some people. Thank you for exploring my mysterious box of MCM goodness. Hi, Cheryl. How you doing, girl? Damn, Cheryl. Oh my God, we've even got a massive chop sticker, some sweet vinyls, Mighty Car Mod vinyls, and what is this guy? Oh, The sexy personal scanned recipe. Alright, Cheryl. I see where you're going with this. I see what this is. Oh, let's go take a look at that duct tape that I threw on the floor. You're a clever person. Now, why would I be opening this in the front of a car? I don't know, because this is a car channel. Okay? That's what we do. Sweet. That'll be holding up probably some trim for a little while. Not that we're not going to professionally install everything to exact JDM standards, but we won't be. All right, well, thanks for watching. That was actually pretty freaking sweet. If you get a chance to buy anything from Mighty Car Mods, definitely do. They're just really cool guys. They're a major player in the online car scene and in the in-person car scene if you're in Australia, obviously. I don't know why I'm pitching you MCM on this tiny YouTube channel that just started. I'm pretty sure they don't need my help. But anyway, stick around. Next time, I promise, we will have more videos of me cleaning and suctioning up everything inside of Cecilia. I also clean out the trunk. I don't know if you can see through the windscreen there, but we have the gas tank entirely exposed. I yanked out some of the air conditioning stuff, and we're probably going to be running fuel rails, although that might not be next episode. Alright, until then,